In today's video, we are going to show you guys what to order at Cheesecake Factory to help you guys lose weight. So welcome back to another episode of Lean Eating on the Go, where us fitness trainers actually show you guys what we personally order to help us stay fit and stay lean.
Today we're going to one of our favorites, Cheesecake Factory. So in every one of our Eating on the Go videos, we like to give a nutrition lesson, and today's lesson might be a little contradictory to this series because it's actually about going out to eat. Now, going out to eat super often is not good because you're not going to be very accurate on your plan when you're going out to eat. Even if you are ordering low-calorie options or high-protein options, they're all estimations, and it's not as accurate as cooking at home.
And so if you're stalled on your weight loss and it's been like a whole week and you think that you're counting your calories correctly, try doing this. Just make sure for 1 week, eat at home. Everything is prepared only by you. And I bet you that you will see a difference because this is usually what stalls people is they go out to eat once, twice, 3 times, and the extra calories does slow you down. All right, so a little fun fact here at Cheesecake Factory is these cheesecakes have a lot of calories and more than you know. So the average slice here, it's like around 1,200 calories. Look at these. These are 1,500 calories per slice. That's crazy, right? The meal that we're about to have, like both our meals combined, will still be less calories than one slice. This cheesecake right here. All right, so in case you guys don't know this is the regular menu, and they actually have a Skinny-licious menu. This is what Jordan and I always order off of. And if you look at the options, it's actually pretty good. Okay, so the best option here is Tuscan chicken. It has 590 calories, and I think it has around 70 to 80 grams of protein. So this right here more than fits our 110 roll. The chicken pasta we've also had before too, 590 calories. And I think this has around like 40 to 50 grams of protein, which still isn't too bad in case you want pasta. And for the salads, right, we only got really 2 options here, the Asian chicken salad and the Mexican tortilla salad. So it just depends how you feel that day. Are you feeling Asian or are you feeling Mexican? Which is funny because I'm Asian and Jordan's Mexican. So this is so funny, right? Anyways, these 2 salads actually have a good amount of protein in it. I think it's around 40 grams of protein each, which is, like I said, it's pretty good for a salad. And we've had this quite often too.
So just out of curiosity, guys, because I'm a curious cat, I'm just looking at the menu just to see what the calories are for some of these things. The appetizers themselves are running up 1,000 calories. For example, the cheeseburger spring rolls. Why would you put a cheeseburger in front of a spring roll? I don't know. That sounds like a crime. What I was really looking at is like the pizza and the pastas. Okay, guys, look, the pastas. Some of these are like 2,000 calories. The Louisiana chicken pasta, 2,270, 2,270. Pasta carbonara, 2,030. The Italian sausage and fresh mushroom rigatoni, 2,100. Nuts. Nuts. Here's the thing, guys. Even if I was like one of those people that did the 1 meal a day thing, which I actually did do that for like 8 months when I first met you. I only ate 1 meal a day.
I remember that.
Almost a year.
She was very grumpy before she ate.
Okay. Can you cut that out?
Well, actually, we're not going to edit that out.
Okay. Anyway, so even if I was doing the 1 meal a day, the OMAD, I would still not order one of these, even if it fit my calories. I still would not do that because why? Why would you have a meal that's 2,000 calories? It's criminal.
And that's why it's like so important. You still got to count calories because even if you do the OMAD, 1 meal a day thing, you go over your calories very easily in just 1 meal here at Cheesecake Factory.
So I ordered the Mexican tortilla salad. This is like one of my favorites. 550 calories and 30 grams of protein. So let's give it a little taste test. I like to smash the tortillas. I don't know why. It satisfies something, you know? It's a really big bite, but I'm really hungry. This used to be better. They changed something in the recipe, but it's still really good. So, I'm gonna give it like a 8.5.
So I got the Tuscan chicken, and this is by far the #1 choice here because of the protein. It's about 80 grams of protein with about 590 calories. So this is by far the best option in case you're low on protein and you're trying to build muscle. So here's the taste test. Wow. This chicken is so juicy today. Oh my God. Okay, today they have done it right.
Yeah.
This chicken today, I give it a 9.5 out
Wow.
of 10 for chicken. It's like juicy and I can't believe it's chicken breast, but it is. Yeah, it's just so crazy. Like our 2 meals combined is still less calories than the average slice of cheesecake here at Cheesecake Factory. That's just, it's bonkers.